I believe that every person has a calling, and what I didn't know back in 1974 when I graduated was that I would find myself answering my call to come back here as president. This is a time for girls to find their voice. This environment provides girls a safe place to learn and grow, where they can be who they are, where they're welcomed and accepted.
I've always said I love St. Ursula because it's so much more than a school. I'm not coming in and sitting in a classroom every single day and that's it. I'm building relationships through partner work, through group projects within the classroom, but also in team building activities outside of the classroom.
And I think that St. Ursula is a college preparatory school, not only with the high school, but with the junior academy. Academically, I have excelled more than I think I ever would have if I would have gone to any other school.
Our mission and core values form the framework for every decision we make. Our core values of academic excellence, leadership, Ursulan spirituality, openness to change, they feed a wonderful environment that truly believes in the purpose for educating young women and how important that is for the future.
The Bound Together campaign is important for furthering the education of our students. When I look at how we can combine the curriculum in the classroom along with the gifts and talents of the faculty and staff with new facilities and all of the technologies that come with it, it really ups the ante with what the girls will be provided as they're empowered to lead going into the future.
We are creating the next generation of leaders and dreamers and young women who will change the world. And they need the updated space in order to have the best learning environments to be able to prepare themselves for that next step in their life.
What really excites me about the project and the Bound Together campaign is you open up these spaces and you create a new environment. Number one, it's exciting, and number two, I think you're going to get more interaction and networking with the kids, and it allows them to work in groups.
St. Ursula Academy's Bound Together campaign supports our campus transformation plans. It will make a significant and lasting impact on each girl's scholastic experience.
It addresses a future life for the school, in that hopefully if you build it, they will come. The young ladies of today can have an education that they can appreciate and be proud of.
I think that they're just providing more space and more resources for girls to pursue their interests. You know, as my little sister comes here, which I'm incredibly excited for, she is, just on the cusp of discovering what she's going to do with the rest of her life. And I'm excited that there are going to be more students who get to explore interests in science and math and maybe do something that they didn't think they could do before.
Our roots are 164 years deep. Our strength is rooted in our Ursulan core values. Each of you hold the power to enhance St. Ursula Academy's campus and to take our school to a higher level.
St. Ursula nurtures every student so they are prepared for a global society, and they enter that global society ready to serve others and be incredible leaders.
When all of these projects are complete, the kind of day I see is one where the girls are not bound to classroom walls, but are connected to one another through conversation and problem solving. These are our daughters, these are our neighbors, these are our friends' children. These children are our future.